Hello students, today I will tell you about the IUPAC name of the carboxylic acid. Yesterday I told you about the IUPAC name of the alkane, alkene and alkyne. But in today's video I will tell you how to write the IUPAC name of the carboxylic acid, or they can be fatty acids. Functional group of the carboxylic acid is COOH, or you can rewrite it C double bonded OH, and suffix for carboxylic acid is oic acid, and you have to write the name of carboxylic acid as it is, just it is alkane. You have to remove the E and you have to add the oic acid, that is alkane plus oic acid. When E will be removed, it forms the alkanoic acid. Alkanoic acid, root word is alkane, that is A is removed in place and oic acid is added, it forms the alkanoic acid. For example, first compound, that is HCOOH. HCOOH, its common name is formic acid. Its common name is formic acid. It is present in ant, wasp, etc. And its IUPAC name, one carbon atom, that's why prefix will be meth, methane plus oic acid. E will be removed, it will be methanoic acid. So methanoic acid is the IUPAC name of formic acid. Common name is formic acid and IUPAC name is methanoic acid. Next compound, next example is CH3COOH. There are two carbon atoms in this compound, that is by ethane plus oic acid, and its name will be ethanoic acid. It is a IUPAC name, while its common name is acetic acid. It is present in, acetic acid is present in vinegar, which we use as a food stuff. Next example is CH3COOH. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 carbon atoms. That's why propane plus oic acid, and IUPAC name will be propanoic acid. Next, CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. There are 4 carbon atoms in this compound. That's why butane plus oic acid. E will be removed and it will be called as butanoic acid. It is IUPAC name of this compound. Next example is COOH. Its common name is oxalic acid. This is oxalic acid present in the tomato, etc. But its IUPAC name will be, there are 2 carbon atoms, 1, 2, and each is COOH group. That's why eth 1, 2 dioic acid. eth 1, 2 dioic acid. It is eth 1, 2 dioic acid. Next example, CH3CHOSCOOH. 1, 2, 3. OH will be considered as side chain because COOH group is senior functional group as compared to the alcohol. That's why its name will be, it will be considered as side chain. When OH is present as a side chain, it is called hydroxy. 2-hydroxy, 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. Propanoic acid, because parent chain contains only 3 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, propanoic acid. Next example, CH3CHCl COOH. Very easy, 1, 2, 3. It will be considered a side chain at the second carbon atom. It is, IUPAC name will be 2-chloropropanoic acid. Next example is CH3COCOOH. This one is carboxylic acid group, functional group. This one is ketone group. But ketone is junior as compared to the carboxylic group. That is why it will be considered as only as a side chain. 1, 2, 3. This is, and second position oxygen is present. 2-oxo propanoic acid. It is 2-oxo propanoic acid.